My name's Ben, I'm an inspector with WorkSafe and I work out of the Dandenong office. The first thing about a WorkSafe inspection would be to find the hazards in your workplace. Could be really obvious as part of your industry, or they could be less obvious. A hazard is any source of potential harm or injury. So by identifying those up front, we know where we stand and where we need to move to reduce those and make it a safer workplace. Talk with your workers directly. They're probably your biggest asset, and they can have a wealth of experience, and you really need to tap into that. It could be formally, so you could schedule meetings, have them booked in on calendars and get representatives from your work group and your team leaders together. Or it could be casual, where you walk around or have a barbecue on Friday and have a good chat. So once you've identified the hazards in your work area, the next step is to formalise those with a safety action plan, for example. We have a tool available on our website that can help with getting those down on paper. So some hazards that you can identify might be obvious. They could be something sharp or some exposed gears, or those things are generally quite obvious, but there are other ones that are harder to identify that might be less immediate. Things like exposure to chemicals and noise is something that we see regularly. A good way to identify hazards that are affecting your workplace in particular would be to look through your records of injury. These should be reported by your employees, and it can be as simple as a diary for the employees to record what's happened, and it can cover near misses. This is going to identify any trends that are occurring in your workplace and can let you get ahead and become proactive of the more serious injuries